Good morning, friends. So, chapter number 13 already we have completed. Now, today I want to start the revision of chapter number 13. So, before we start revision, we have to remember the formula related chapter number 13. So, first of all, we want to discuss the important formula that is for chapter number 13. So, we can start from the already you know that we have to start from the cube and then cuboid. So if you will see for cube, so there is LSA 4L square. We are discussing about the cube. TSA, that is 6L square. Same thing now we can discuss for cuboid. Again LSA, lateral surface area, that is 2H L plus B. TSA, that is 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Now if I want to discuss with the volume, that is L cube. If you discuss with the volume of cuboid, that is L into B into H. So that is cube and cuboid. Now afterward you know that it's a cylinder. So for cylinder we can write CSA because it's a curved surface. While in cube and cuboid it's a lateral. Now curved surface area, that is 2 pi RH. Total surface area, that is 2 pi R. In bracket we can write H plus R. And volume is equal to pi R square H. Same thing. Afterward we can discuss about the cone. So we know relate with the cone. So in cone we can say again CSA, that is pi RL. You know what is L? L means slant height. Slant height is equal to L is equal to under root H square plus R square. And TSA of cone, that is I R in bracket L plus R. And then volume of cone. Volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi R square H. So cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, same thing. We can discuss about the hemisphere and sphere. So for sphere, CSA and TSA both are same in sphere. So we can write 4 pi R square. TSA and CSA is same. Volume of sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi R cube. 4 by 3 pi R cube. And CSA of hemisphere, here we are doing hemisphere. So it is called half, means hemi. So 2 pi R square. And TSA of hemisphere, that is 3 pi R square. And total surface, that is TSA. And volume, that is half again, 2 by 3 pi R cube. So mostly 13 to 14 formulas are there that we have to, I have already written it here. When we are discussing about the numericals or sum, on that time we have again write. So start from the first question. Find the area of sheet required for making the box. So if you will see, box is a plastic box, it's a cuboid. So for cuboid formula, if you will see, area of sheet required to making a box. So we can use the total surface area. Now if you will see the total surface area 2 LB plus BH plus HL, but here say that it is open from top. So we can write minus L into B, or we can say another formula for it, that is 2H L plus B plus L into B. Two different formula we can use for this. So here length, breadth and height is given, so it is better that we can use this formula, that is lateral surface area of cuboid plus area of base, because in area of base here again it is a rectangle. So this formula we can use. Now let me see the numericals. That is, in question already we said the lateral surface area, that is 2HL plus B plus L into B. So when 2HL plus B we are doing, we can get 3.575 here. If I will put all the values, height that is 0.65. Why we can take? Because in question 65 centimeter is there, but if I divide it, it will be answer into 0.65. That is why 0.65, and L into B, that is 1.5 plus 1.25 into now length into breadth, that is area, again 1.5 multiplied by 1.25. If I will do it, then we can get answer 3.575 plus again 1.875, and if we add this, we can get 5.45 meter square. So that is the area for making a plastic box which is open from the top. It is open from the top, so we can make a plastic box whose required area is 5.45 meter square. Now the costing in next sum, if you will see properly, the costing is also there. If you will see next sum, the what is the cost here? What is the cost? So if you will see properly, 5.45 meter square is there total area. Now cost of it, 1 meter square is equal to 1 meter square is equal to 20 rupees. Then 5.45 meter square is equal to this. So 20 multiplied by 5.45, we can get something 109 rupees. That already we have discussed in class, but it's a one type of revision, so you can again understand it properly. Now that is a sum related with the cuboid. Now we go for one sum related with the cylinder. So let me see the cylinder now. So sum of the cylinder is what? We have to find out the diameter of a cylinder. Now CSA is given. Is means CSA is given, that is 88 centimeter square, and height H is given, that is 14 centimeter. So what we have to find out? Radius. If pi value is not given, we can write 22/7. Now CSA is equal to formula, that is 2 pi RH. Now CSA, that is 88. 88 is equal to 2 into 22/7 into R into H, that is 14. Now 7 2s are 14. If I multiply it, you will get 88R. So 88 into R, therefore R is equal to 88 divided by 88, answer is 1. Anytime if we divide numerator divided by denominator, we never get answer 0. So answer is 1. But in question we have to find out the diameter, that is 2 into R. So 2 into 1, that is 2. So diameter is 2 centimeter. If you will see the properly, answer is 2 centimeter. So again this type of one type of revision of cylinder now we can get. Now how to find out? Next sum is curved surface area. We have to find out the curved surface area. Now again here it is a cone. So first sum is related with the cuboid, another sum related with the cylinder, now third sum related with the cone. So it's a one type of revision. So now everyone remember what is the formula for cone? So formula of cone, that is pi r L. So what is the meaning of L? That is L means what? Remember it, L means h square plus r square. So remember it that. Now next sum we want to discuss, that is question number 4. Again it's a cone. So two sums related with the cone that we have discussed here. Let me see now. Question is find curved surface area of cone. So CSA of cone is equal to pi r L. Now CSA of cone is pi RL. It means I have to put value of L. So if you will see, diameter is given. So radius is 10.5 by 2. Slant height is given. So if we will put directly at here, see that 2 11s are, if I will make cancellation, then 1.5. 15 tens are. So 11 multiplied by 15, that is answer is 165 centimeter square. When we are doing division, you have to write mostly the important sums related it. It is better that you have write it and you will get answer 165 centimeter square. Now if you will understand this, again same type of sum. Here we have to find out the radius. Now try to solve yourself and give me the answer of it. So everyone get answer of it or not? Radius we have to find out. So already formula is there or not? See pi RL 308. So pi RL 308. Value of L 14. So 22 by 7 into R into slant height 14 is equal to 308. If I will divide it by 2. So 44 into R is equal to 308. R is equal to 308 upon 44. If I will divide it by 11, that is 4 divided by 11, 28, 4 7s are. So R is equal to 7 centimeter. If you will see properly, now let me see the answer, that is 7 centimeter. Already I have discussed that R is equal to 7 centimeter. So by making cancellation you can do also. We can do it by here. Again answer is same. So mostly it's a one type of revision, so we can go deeply. Now one more sums, that is again 6. Total surface area of cone I have to find out. Total surface area of cone. Now total, what is the formula for total surface area of cone? Everyone remember, that is pi r L plus pi r square. Why it is? Because it is a cone. In cone shape, we know that here it's a area of circle. So now pi r is common, we can write L plus r. Now value of pi, that is 22 by 7. Value of r here, that is slant height is 14 centimeter. Okay, by using already we can get r7. L, that is 14 plus r, that is 7 cut 22 into 21, so 462 centimeter square. That is our answer. So here already answer is there. Same answer we have get. So again you have to, that is question number 6 we are doing. Same in our, it's a one type of question. When radius is given, slant height is given, we can find out the total surface area of cone. So one more sum now we can do. Now conical tent, find out the slant height. If you will see properly, question is that find out the conical tent is 10 centimeter high, radius is 24 centimeter, find out the slant height. So already we know the formula related slant height, that is L is equal to under root h square plus r square. So h, that is 10 square, r, that is 24 square. So 100 plus 565, 676. 676 is a square of 26. So 26 is the slant height. Now what I have to find out? Question is find out the slant height. So 2 marks questions of it. So it is easy, I think. Now we go for one more sum. That is When the question is, it's a one type of revision. So already all sums we have discussed in a class. Conical tent with 10 meter height, radius 24 meter. Find the cost of canvas required to make the tent. So curved surface area of cone is pi RL. So we can by use 22 by 7, 24 into 26. We cannot divide it by 7. Why? Because if you divide it by 7, we can get different way answer. Points. Answer must be decimal. But when you will see the costing, 1 meter square is equal to 70 rupees is there. Now 13,728 upon 7 meter square is equal to, that is 13,728 upon 7 multiplied by 70. So here it is 10. So you have to directly write 1 0. That is 13,728. So 1,37,280 rupees is the total cost of a tent. But tent must be in a conical shape, that we have to remember. Clear? So one type of revision we are doing. So it is better that you concentrate each sum, write each sum properly, then we can get proper answer. Now curved lateral surface area, it's a revision. So lateral surface area of cylinder is there, height is there, find radius. So we know that curved surface area, that is CSA, that is 2 pi RH. That is 2 pi RH. Now all the values if you will put, if I want to find out that is 94.2 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into R, that we have to find out. Height is 5. So 94.2. Here value of pi, that is in above sum. Here 3.14 we have to put. So 2 into 3.14 into 5 into R. So 5 to 10. So 31.4 into R is equal to 94.2. So R is equal to 942 upon 314. So if you will cancel 3's are, we can directly get answer. Again 94.2, that is CSA given. Value of pi 3.14. Radius height is 5, so 5 is 10. 31.4 into 10. 31.4 into 10. 3.14 into 10, that is 31.4. So R is equal to 3. Then we have to write it always remember unit. Clear everyone? One more sums. If you will see properly, we will get answer. R is equal to 3. So radius is 3. There are different ways we can do cancellation, but answer must be always same. Answer cannot change. You can do it the cancellation. Now one more sum related with the volume. So by using lateral surface area, that is lateral surface area of cylinder, height is, then find out the volume. So already we have find out the radius, that is 3. Now volume of cylinder formula, that is pi r square h. Now value of pi, that is 3.14, r square, that is 3 into 3, and height, that is 5. Now if we will multiply, we will get answer 141.3 centimeter cube. So in one sum we can do two sums. 9th and 10th both are of same, and we have completed it. I hope that you have to write it. It's a one type of revision, so we can go turn by turn. Now one more sums. So volume. Now find out the volume of radius. Already we have discussed in last lecture. Again we have to discuss now volume of cone. So formula is 1 by 3 pi r square, as it's a one type of calculating work. Now pi value, that is 22 by 7. What is given, that you have to write? See here. and 6 into 6 into 7, that's 7 cut, 3 2s are, so 44 into 6, that is 264 centimeter cube. Always remember the unit must be, you have to write it. So it's a one type of revision that we are doing. So see, now from we will start from revision of cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, volume of cylinder. So now one more sum related it. Find the capacity of a liter in conical vessel with radius 7 cm, slant height 25, radius 7, slant height 25. So again we have to rub this and then we go one more sum. Now see, slant height is 25, radius is 7. What is the requirement of capacity in liter? So we have to find out the volume of cone. So to find out the volume of cone, formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. But here slant height is given, we cannot put directly h at here. So L square is equal to h square plus r square. So it's a one type of revision. In revision, all types of sums we have discussed. Now L, that is 25 square, minus 7 square. So that is 625 minus 49. That is 576. It's a square of 24. So height is equal to 24. Now we can put value, that is 1 by 3. Value of pi 22 by 7. We have right height 2 times 7 and 24. This 7 cut, 3 into 8. So 22 into 7 into 8, that is 154 into 8. So we can get answer 8 for the 32, 3, 40, 43, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2 centimeter cube. Here everything in centimeter. Now we have to convert into a liter. So we know that 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Now 1 meter cube means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 zeros we have to write. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is equal to 1, 2, 3. These 3 zero cut. So 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So I have to divide it by 1000. So 1.32 liter, that is answer. Let me see that is answer correct or not. So if you will compare with it, we can get same answer. You will see that 1 by 3, everything whatever in a year, that already I am discussed. So that is a section number B, that is section A, that is 2 marks questions I have completed. It may be in 3 marks also. Now we want to discuss for 3 marks question. Let me do for it. Now 3 marks question is there. Already again when 3 marks questions is there, again related with the we can say, if you will see properly, it's a cuboid. And we want to find out the cost of whitewashing the wall and the room of ceiling. So that is area of 4 wall. Area of 4 wall plus area of ceiling. So if you will see area of 4 wall, that is 2HL plus B, and area of ceiling, that is L into B. Now if we simplify here, 2HL plus B, the answer is 54. And L into B, the answer is 20. Now if I will total, the answer is 74 meter square. Now costing is 1 meter square is equal to 74. Therefore, cost of 1 meter square is equal to 7.450. Therefore, 74 meter square is equal to dash. So, 74 into 7.50. You will get some answer. Let me see that your answer is correct or not. So already I have discussed related with these sums, but now we go for more. That is, answer is 1 meter square is equal to 77.5. We have get 74 meter square. So 555 rupees is the answer. Now one more sums we have to discuss. Let me question is, what we have to find out the height of a hole. So how we can find out the height of hole? So it's an important formula. Area of hole wall, that is lateral surface area of cuboid. Now area of hole wall 2HL plus B. That is, here if you will see that properly, costing of hole wall is rupees 10 per meter square. So if I want to find out area, total cost divided by unit cost. Here total cost is 1500 and 15,000 and rupees 10. So if I will divide it, then answer is 1500. See now, meter square is there. So area is equal to 1500. Now, what is that here? Perimeter is given. So now area of cuboid, if I will write 2HL plus B is equal to 1500. Now H I have to find out. So 2L plus B is equal to 1500. Now what is a 2HL plus B? That is called perimeter. Here it is called perimeter. So that is 250. So 250 is equal to 1500. So H is equal to 1500 divided by 250. If you will see that 1010 or 25 6 are. So height is equal to 6 meter. Write it now that this sum. So if you will see properly, what is the concept related to it? 2HL plus B. I am using it with 2 in bracket L plus B, and H we have to take side because we want to find out the height. Already all these sums again say to you, discuss in a class. We are doing one type of revision. Now one more sum. It is required to close cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and diameter 140 meter. Metal sheet. How many meters square require area for the sink? So diameter is 140. Here it is centimeter. If I will divide it by 100, I will answer into meter. Why we are doing like that? Because here cylinder height is given in a meter. Now radius that we have to do, that is 0.7 meter. Now total surface area, that is 2 pi r h plus r. If you will put all this value, we will get answer 7.48 meters square. Important thing is formula which you are used and the conversion you are doing it here. Because here 140 centimeter is there. 140 centimeter is there, and we have to convert into a meter, and we have to put this value 2 pi r in bracket h plus r. We can get 7.48 meter square. One more sums we have to see now. Complete the revolution, it is also important for us. So we know that the question is diameter of roller. Question is diameter of roller is 84 centimeter, length is 120, and I have to complete 500 revolution. Now diameter of roller, that is 84 centimeter. So radius, that is 42 centimeter. Length of, that is height, here it is called height, that is 120 centimeter. Roller is in shape of cylinder. So it will be curved surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi r h. Now if I will put all this value, I will get answer 31680 centimeter square. But how much revolution I have to complete? 500. So if I have to multiply by 500, and then centimeter square, it must be divided by 10,000 to get answer in meter square. So 2020 cut, again 1010 cut, 5 2s. If I will divide it by, you will get some answer. That is, if I will divide it, 3168 divided by 2. See, same sum I am doing at here. 500 revolution divided by 10,000. So answer must be meter square. So 1584. Same thing here, if you will cancel 1584 meter square. So same thing, whatever I am explaining again at here. It is with solution, so we can easily understand and we can do revision fastly. That is why we are doing like that. One more sum, find out the height. Now cylinder area is given, radius is also given. So we can use formula 2 pi r h. In it we have to find out the height h. H is equal to area upon 2 pi r. That way we can also do. If you will see, here it is cancel. 2 11s are cancel. So 4.4 into 10 upon 11 is equal to height. So 44 upon 11 is equal to height. So 4, if you will see that height, see 7 cut. I think we are doing something wrong again. 4.42, that 7 cut. Now 2 into 22 into 7 into 2. So these 7 again we can say cancel. 22 into 2 44. If you will see, 4.4 is equal to 44 into height. But here it is 10. So again 44 upon 44 is equal to h. So it is 1 meter. So height is 1 meter. So one more sum we can do. Now it's related with the volume. Okay, it's area sum. Some more sum we will need to do. Okay, already we have discussed this type of sum. It's again second time. Already we have discussed height, diameter is given. We can find out total surface area of cone. So it is not necessary that we have to go deeply. Okay, that's I think. Okay, already we have discussed this or not? According to me it is okay. So now here Joker cape is in form of right circular cone, 10 cone. So Joker cape is also like that. But how much 10 capes are there? So if Here I have to find out L. So by using L, we can get L 25. Formula is pi RL. So if I will put pi RL, then answer is 550. But how many cones are there? 10. So we have to multiply with the 10. So 555. 500 centimeters square is there. Now some related with the 21 sum, that is related with the again total surface area of hemisphere. So total surface area of hemisphere, again it is find total surface. So we can write directly 3 pi r square. That is 3 into 3.14 into 10 into 10. So 3 into 314. That is answer is 954. So total surface area is directly we can do 4 3 4 are 12, 1 3 1 are 3 4 9 42 centimeter square. That way we can do. It is not necessary that here they are explaining it. So area of base, again here it is pi r square. Again this area 2 pi r square. So if we will total, we can get 3 pi r square. Now, okay, find the radius. Find the radius of sphere by using area. So sphere formula is 4 pi r square. 154 is equal to 422 by 7 into r square. So 154 into 7, 4 into 22 is equal to r square. If you will cancel it, we can get answer r is equal to 3.5. But how we can cancel? If you will see, here it is 7. So r square is equal to 49 by 4. Therefore r is equal to 7 by 2. So r is equal to 3.5 centimeter. By using it, we can also find out the volume of sphere also. There is a one sum. Volume of sphere. So 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3, we can write 22 by 7. Now here we have to write 7 by 2, 7 by 2, 7 by 2, and we can get volume. So by using radius, we can also find out the volume. Mostly I have discussed all the sum. It's a volume based sum now. Already we have discussed L into B into H. So if you will multiply, we can get 15 centimeters square. But how many boxes are there? 12 boxes are there. So I have to multiply with the 12 and we can get answer 180 centimeter square. Mostly we have discussed. Now is there any sum left? We can go. So all sums, again it's a volume of Q1 that we have discussed. Okay. See now the different way this sum is that we have to discuss. Circumference is given. That is C is equal to 2 pi r is equal to 132 is given. So we can find out the radius. By using that we can find out the radius. Afterward we have to put in a height. See how they are using it. C is equal to 2 pi r. C is equal to pi r. So C into 22 into 22 into r is equal to 132. R is equal to 132 into 7 into 44. So 44, if you will, 44 into 3. So R is equal to 21. If I will put R 21, we will get same answer. Now what is the target is cylinder. So pi r square h. Now 22 by 7. 21 into 21 into height h 25. Now if we will cancel, that is 3. So 66 into 21 into 25. If you will do, you will see 66. Here it is 22 3. So 3 21 66 25. Same thing we have get it here. 3 into 7, 21. So 21 into 66 into 25. Same we have get answer. That is 34650 centimeter cube. Already we know that if there is a centimeter cube is there, if I will divide it by 1000, answer must be in liter. Always remember, that is the answer. So let me see that same answer is not. So 34. Sorry, here 10 is we can cancel. So 34.64 is the answer. If we will cancel it, 3460 divided by 1000, the answer is 34.65 liter. So now mostly 4 mark sums are not related to our topic. 1, 2 and 3 marks sums mostly we have discussed. Again it is a sum that is related with the text only. So mostly we have discussed all the sum. Already this type of sums may be asked in 4 marks. So let me one more sums we have to do. That is lateral surface area of cylinder is given. Already we have discussed this. On that time we can first find out the radius. So radius is equal to 3 we have got on that time. Now by using we can find out the volume. So that is 141.3. So already we have discussed this. So mostly we have discussed all the sum related this chapter. 13 from volume of cone, volume of sphere, volume of hemisphere, volume of cylinder, volume of cuboid, everything with surface area and lateral surface area, total surface area, everything we have discussed. So in revision lecture we have go through the text base. So maybe you have an exam of chapter number 13. On that time you again go through it properly. Thank you.